Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Kia Sportage GT-Line. This car comes with the 1.6 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 174 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 34 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 37,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the pearlescent fusion white and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the theme continues. So you've got a really nice conditioned interior. The seats are leather with the red piping, and the front seats and the rear seats are also heated. There's a big armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car has the cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, climate control, and then on the driver's door card you then have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. As I'm sure you'll know, there's lots of Sportages on the road, so a very popular car for families. There's a good amount of legroom and headroom in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents and also 2 charging ports there in the centre. And as I previously mentioned, the outer seats are also heated as well by that switch there, so quite a rare feature, but something that the children would like. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot which goes back a long way, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor you've got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see, very rare these days. Externally the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 19-inch diamond cut alloy wheels and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.